is so much thunder. Hey guys, welcome back to What's Sewing On. Today I'm going to be doing another upcycling video, this time with actual women's clothing. Last week I took men's pants and turned them into women's shorts. So this week I'm actually going to be doing a women's dress. I found this dress at a local thrift store. It was a little more expensive than I normally pay for things, but I just fell in love with it and I couldn't not buy it. But anyways, it was really cute and I couldn't pass it up. So I think I'm going to actually turn it into a romper. So I'm gonna go put this baby on and we're gonna see what we're dealing with here. Wow, that was a surprise. I'm not going to touch that dress. I'm going to take it in on the sides and that's it. No, I didn't even want to see what it would look like as a romper because I love that dress. So there goes my whole plan. I ran around a little bit. Man, this really like derails. I got this dress from a friend. So this was going to be a project that I was going to get to. But now I think I'm just gonna have to jump right in and figure it out as I go. So I'm gonna go try the dress on and stand in front of the mirror for 20 minutes and stare at myself until I decide which design I want to use. I started by pinning yarn, or you could take thick string around the neckline. This was to create gathers, and then once I was happy with the positioning, I just set that into place. To make a knee-length dress, I measured and cut off the bottom portion, and then I used that extra fabric to make 2 cap sleeves using an old pattern I had. Using the bottom hem, I cut 2 long strips and sewed them together to make drawstring ties for the sleeves. When sewing the sleeves, I left about 1/4 of an inch for a channel to feed the ties through. shoulders to create gathers, and then I set those into the armholes. I took some elastic to measure my waistline, and then I sewed this into just underneath the bust line. When I was finished with this, I just finished off the hem and the dress was done. The dress is finished. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I absolutely love the sleeves. I love the little bow detail. I just think it's super adorable. The neckline, I think I could have spent a little bit more time on it, actually made it a real drawstring neckline. And I'm really wishing I would have taken the zipper out. I don't need the zipper. There's enough material that I can just pull it over my head, and it's a baby doll style dress, and I could have just done that easily. But you know what, for my first one, I was just playing around with it and trying, and for something that I had to do literally on the last minute, I'm absolutely happy with it. The dress is a little short for what I normally wear. I usually wear a knee length or longer, but it's summer, it's been so hot, so you know what? I don't even care. It'll be fine. So I'm gonna call this a win for sure. First off, because this dress turned out really nice. I'm definitely going to wear it. And secondly, because I absolutely am in love with that first dress. So I'm really excited to actually be able to go somewhere and wear it. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this upcycling project. My next video is a dream project of mine, so I'm so excited to get started on that. So I will be posting that next week, and I will see you guys there. It's pouring. Probably have to close all the windows. Always when you just sit down and you're all set up and ready to go, you have to stand up again. I know you're afraid of thunder. Can I bribe? Is it too early to burn a Christmas candle? There is enough fabric and room for me to just